There we are, young Jack now. He's got the membrane underneath. We don't want any weeds coming through. Right, Jack, are you going to move tomorrow?
No.
I was going to post a picture, but you can hear the rain. This is where we're at. This is what landscapers have to put up with on a day-to-day basis. Look at the rain bouncing off that table there. If you can just see, it's not good. And whatever you're doing out there across the country, try and be productive. Don't make a mess. So have a great day if you can. Well, just arrived now and just had a call from BSW. They want to come along and obviously, as I said, they want to film this garden. They want to see the decking going down. Let me just show you the garden. We just turn the camera around now. So here we are. This is where we're at the moment. So we've got the steps in. Okay, we've obviously got the stepping stone path. I didn't want a solid path because I wanted to bring the two areas together. And got the decking over there. We've got some more around the corner, and you can see the paving's kept clean, but it's not good. It's raining, and they're hoping to film the installation of this product over here. So just got to put the membrane in. We'll get on with something this morning, so we'll take it from there. But you can hear it already, so it's not good at all.
Precision.
Jack, just for our viewers, seriously, right? What's it like working with me in the morning? Because people like to hear of you. Face onto the camera.
Pain in the ass.
As you can see, Jack, we'll blame Jack. Jack hasn't quite pulled the membrane. Come and have a look. If you look down here, it's not necessarily his fault. If you look down there, you can see where the membrane hasn't come right underneath. But what we're going to be doing here, Jack, if we stay focused along here, we're going to be putting along this edge, a picture frame using the basalt colour, Jack. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, basalt black.
Yeah, and we're going to cut a picture frame, 150 mil, 150 mil. So it's going to wrap around there. So it'll act as a mowing strip. So when you put the decking down, you're not going to have to run the strimmer or have to go along the edge of the deck. You'll be able to just mow over the picture frame. So that's what that's for. So the concrete can spill in underneath there anyway, and then we're going to bed it in. So we're going to put a concrete plinth in first before we just bed it on that. Because when you're laying a small unit like a 900 by 150, it's a small unit. There's not a lot of weight in it, and you need to make sure it sticks down. So we're going to put like a little concrete brace in, what we used to do years ago with the channel blocks, and that's going to make sure that actually sticks down. It's great bringing you some content this morning. So Jack, let's get on with it. The other thing I was going to say, some people, I was just trying to answer people's questions here now as we go along. Some people are going to say it'd be cheaper to sort of just buy a bulk bag. Yeah, it is, but number one, trying to get a delivery is difficult at the moment because everybody seems to be massively busy. The other thing, of course, is that there is a shortage of materials at the moment, and they're running around, and with the suppliers and merchants, they're really concentrating on what they see as value for money. There's no value for money in some respects selling stone. So, and the other thing, of course, we have in the back of the van an amount of tools, some slabs, and we've got screws. I know it's maybe not a lot of weight, but the fact is that VOSA, the ministry people, they are in evident along the road. There's been lots of stops and checkers, and you've got to make sure that you've got to make sure your van isn't overweight. And you know, so it's just passed its MOT now, and it's had the service. It's all running good. But what we don't want to do, we don't want to be overweight. We don't want to get stopped. We don't want to be pulled and waste our day. So it just makes more sense just to get some bags as opposed to one bulk bag and put it in the van and just ruining things and messing things up. So I just want to bring you that little bit of information. Is that okay, Jack?
It's fine.
Oh, that's a different company. So am I getting paid by them?
Yeah, why not? We'll get paid by all of them.
Yeah, nice one, Jack. This is this is the thing. I'm going to try and keep off this day. We can clean this up, but you don't want too much water on your paving at any time of the year anyway. You've got to use your water to get it clean. But look, you can see we've got the gravel in. Could have done with another bag, but that's fine. I'm going to spread that around a little bit more. And like I said, we've got the concrete plinth going around here, and we're going to have that picture frame all the way around. We've got to think about, we're going to have to put another little retaining wall against, you can just see over there against the garage, where we're going to have to keep, because there's going to be a planting pocket in there, so we've got to maybe run a header course across there again, just like there is on the one side, just with a dry joint, so there's no water holding against the garage. You don't want to cause a problem and the water can escape. So we're sort of good to go. We're going to get the chop saw. We're going to put the chop saw in the garage now today, because we just can't have that being wet, and we can just step over there. We can stay off this patio, which is really annoying. But I've had to walk across there because the customers are going to make us a nice cup of coffee. It seems okay at the moment. Well, here we are. I know you don't want to see this. You want to see some decking going down, I suppose. But it's just pouring down, and they've got this film crew coming this morning, and a film editing team, videographer, whatever you want to call it. And I don't know how much we're going to be able to get done, because we want to get the tools soaking wet, and just a nightmare. But yet another cup of coffee.